Welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to prepare for you
Greek salad, keto, low carb.
Okay, I have 1 zucchini, 4 yellow bell peppers, but if you buy the whole one whole one would be fine. You don't have to, use the small ones, but I'm using what I have on hand. I have some olives over here. Then I have some goat cheese that I'm gonna add to this Greek salad. Onions here. That's about a half an onion that I have chopped up already. Okay, I'm just gonna add the onions to this bag here so I can mix it up really well. This is a really nice summer salad. And I'm gonna show you the dressing. I'm gonna make the dressing for this salad. You can use cucumbers and zucchini if you like, or you can just use either or. I have 18 small cherry tomatoes. I'm gonna cut those in half and add them in there. I just added everything to this bowl. This chopped up bell pepper, I just added. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and chop up tomatoes. Just dump the cheese in there. This is a half package of crumbled goat cheese. So about 2 ounces I added to the pan. Just cut up the olives. So olives on top. I'm gonna make the dressing. I'm gonna add 1/3 cup of olive oil. Okay, I'm gonna add it. I'm just eyeballing this, but it's 1/3 cup of olive oil. And I have 1 garlic clove in the food processor. I just added 3 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. There it is. Add 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. I'm gonna add a half a teaspoon of oregano. There it is. And the last thing I'm gonna add is 1/8 teaspoon of sea salt. There we go. All right, and if you've been watching my videos, always taste your food. After I make this dressing, I will be tasting it, okay? So now I'm gonna go ahead and blend it up, okay? I'm gonna blend up the dressing. I poured the salad dressing over the salad. It really looks good. It's all fresh ingredients. This is easy salad to make as a side. You notice I had cooked shrimp and broccoli. And I'm about to cook some chicken. So I'm gonna just saute the chicken and a little avocado oil, and that's it. That way I can use the chicken later for salads or whatever. I won't even have to worry about what I'm gonna eat the next day. I can make a salad, quick salad. Okay, let me toss it up. This dish is for a barbecue this evening. So I'm gonna toss it up and then just place it in the refrigerator until it's time to go to the barbecue. But I'm gonna taste it first before I place it in the refrigerator. I just wanna make sure everything tastes good. This is a Greek salad. get all that good marinade all over it. Okay, let me taste it. Let me taste it. That is really good. I don't need to add any more salt. It's just perfect. But what I am gonna do, I'm gonna place it in this container here, because if you go to a cookout, you want to use some kind of pan that you don't have to worry about them bringing back. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Have a wonderful day.